Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Moto Craze, where the passion for two wheels never stops. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Royal Enfield Continental GT 650, a modern classic that blends retro Café racer styling with updated engineering. So, is it just a refresh or a real evolution? Let's find out. The 2025 Continental GT 650 retains that unmistakable silhouette, low-slung, sleek, and aggressive. But look closer, and you'll see Royal Enfield has made some thoughtful tweaks. The new colorways are stunning, with rich dual-tone schemes and metallic finishes that truly pop under sunlight. The tank is slightly recontoured for a more ergonomic grip, and the classic round headlamp is now LED, keeping the old-school vibe alive while improving nighttime visibility. Build quality has improved noticeably. You get bar-end mirrors, improved switchgear, and blacked-out engine cases for a cleaner, more refined appearance. The overall stance is still pure Café racer, clip-on handlebars, rear-set foot pegs, and a single-seat look with that sculpted cowl at the back. Every inch screams retro racing heritage. When it comes to features, Royal Enfield keeps it simple yet functional. There's a new digital analog instrument cluster that shows fuel level, gear position, and trip info. USB charging comes standard now, and there's Bluetooth connectivity for turn-by-turn navigation via the Royal Enfield app. Dual-channel ABS is still present, and suspension tuning has been revised slightly for better cornering feel and comfort. Under the tank lies the familiar 648cc parallel twin engine, but it's been refined further for 2025. It now delivers a slightly crisper throttle response and reduced vibrations, especially at higher revs. Power output remains at 47 horsepower with 52 Nm of torque, making it ideal for both city cruising and weekend highway rides. The gearbox is smooth, and that signature twin-cylinder growl is music to any rider's ears. Top speed hovers around 170 km/h, but the GT 650 isn't about going the fastest, it's about the ride experience. Nimble handling, a planted chassis, and a torquey mid-range make this a joy on twisty roads. As for pricing, the 2025 model starts at around 3.45 lakh rupees ex-showroom in India, which still makes it one of the best value for money twin-cylinder bikes in its segment. In short, the 2025 Continental GT 650 isn't trying to be something it's not. It sticks to its roots while subtly modernizing. If you love the charm of a Café racer with real-world usability, this is it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Moto Craze for more real-world motorcycle reviews. Ride safe.